फेरि लिऊ
यहाँबाट आउँछ तपाईहरुको रेड अनि तपाईहरु दिनुपर्छ
नेपाली
70 last call. Single number 9.
I am back to Darjeeling, where my heart truly belongs. Today I'm going back to Southfield College, not as a student but as a visitor. Some places never really leave you, no matter how far you go, and Southfield is one of them. The moment I entered the gate, it hit me. Fete was going on, and new stalls, new energy, and of course new faces were there. My juniors have become seniors now, and most of my batchmates have already passed out. I recognized maybe 2 or 3 faces. The rest were all new, and get that excitement of just being in Southfield, it never changes.
Things have changed quite a lot क्योंकि पहले दरवाज़ा इस तरफ हुआ करता था, पता नहीं अभी एंट्री किस साइड से है. I am not sure if I'm allowed to enter. है तो मेरा ही क्लास. Okay, that's my class. तो पहले हमारा बोर्ड इस तरफ हुआ करता था and we used to sit on the front bench. पर अभी I think इस तरफ किया गया है, so it's good. Change is good. Nothing is constant in life. Kalu! This is nostalgic. I need to click a picture and send it to all of my classmates. It's a famous staircase. Every student of this college, of Southfield College, has a soft corner for this spot for their Instagram pictures क्योंकि the pictures come out really nice. Hello ma'am, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, wow, that's the portrait of my college. This is how beautiful our college looks in October during I think the fall month, the fall season. Okay, those are all the awards that our girls have got for us and made us proud. That's our office. That's our principal's office. बहुत बार हम यहाँ आ चुके हैं क्योंकि मेरे अटेंडेंस का हमेशा चक्कर रहा है, प्रॉब्लम इशू रहा है. इस कॉलेज में हो या बैंगलोर कॉलेज में हो, अटेंडेंस हमेशा मेरा लो ही रहा है क्योंकि आधे से ज़्यादा टाइम मैं या तो बंक कर रही होती हूँ या फिर सो रही होती हूँ. That's the common room. बन रहा है. Okay. The view is really nice. It's beautiful. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
And did you miss me? Did you miss me?
Of course. We've, in fact, all of Southfield College has missed you.
Hello, sir.
We always talk about you.
Thank you, ma'am.
And then I had lunch with my department teacher, Sir Binoy Pradhan. And this is our staff room, and these are all my teachers, and they are all from different departments. And the best thing about Southfield is that we are one unit, no matter which department you may belong to. At the end of the day, we all work together as a unit.
So I actually requested my junior to make my video because my hands are tired. And from here you can see the entire view of the college. That's the logo of my college, Southfield College. This is the balcony. And this is the principal's office, जहाँ पे मैं बार-बार आ चुकी हूँ क्योंकि या तो मेरी अटेंडेंस पूरी नहीं होती थी या फिर मेरा काम पूरा नहीं होता था. Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shanti Grau's YouTube channel. Sorry. The fate of the college.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Oh, sure.
We are waiting for the tickets to get sold out, and then we will see how do you pay the mola. How's it?
Single line door for Ferry Bunny. Card close. Single number 2. 8.
36, yes.
43,
43, yes.
47.
Oh my god, this.
He was just a puppy when I last came here, and he used to play with us, and now he's all grown up. He didn't recognize me, but that's okay. I mean, you still hold a big part of my college memories, buddy.
That's our college canteen. Hi, Didi. म को भन्नु त मलाई किन ममता भन्नुहुन्छ तपाईँ बिना कहाँ ठिक हुनु
Okay, I don't know why, but she used to tell me that, one day when you grow up, you'll be a politician. She would always tell me that timi ek din neta baninchau. But maybe not a politician, auntie, but hopefully someone who makes you proud, because clearly I love politics, but I don't think I would ever get into politics.
कति याद भन्नु हातले देखाउनु न
I love her chai and coffee, and I miss it the most. And of course, I couldn't have chai and coffee that day. She was really busy.
पुरा यार चाहिँ मेरो छोरीको माया लाग्छ आज हेर्छु
You know what I truly love about Southfield? It's our inclusivity. We don't believe in othering anyone. Everyone, regardless of their ability, has equal space, equal voice, and equal respect. Our campus design reflects that. There is a gentle slope so that specially able students can move freely.
To my college. कोई नहीं है तो अरे बंद है यार That is Nepali department. Dressing room. I don't know if I'm allowed to enter. That is English department, my class. Hi girls. Hi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my class. This used to be my class. This is English department. Hi receptionist. सर मेरो कति याद आयो
पुरा आयो
कति कुकुरा कति पुरा यति यति सर Can the cans lock them down? 40 rupees. Hi girls. Hi. What's this? You have to hit the cans? Okay. Anybody won till now? 4 of them? Carry on girls. Hi girls. के हो यो? यसमा त म हार्ने नै हो को जितेको छ
Can be a good businesswoman. जो दामी businesswoman हुन्छ यता देखाइदिनु
तपाईँ फर्स्ट हुन सक्नुहुन्छ
छोरा छोरा त म हान्छु
Hula hoop. Kill the rat. Say it again, say it again. Bala ta feri lu.
ऱ्याट अनि तपाईहरुले दिनुपर्छ ख्याट
Bala na aunus, aunus. Sujata ma'am, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Oh, thank you so much. It's good to see you, Nandita, after so long.
Hi, Wheel of Fortune. के हो यो? को जितेको छ अहिलेसम्म? सबमा जित्दैछ के हो? अप्ठ्यारो गर्नुपर्छ नि हौ सबजना जित्दैछ यही हो एकैजना जितेको छ हाई that's my favorite. Chatpate. I'm coming to have aloo mimi. ए तुम लोग मेरा तारीफ करो तो.
You are so sweet.
बस इतना ही.
फुल्का चिन्ह को तपाईलाई सानो छ.
Buy a single coupon. I got it for free.
So I could see literally no hierarchy at all because teachers and students were all sitting together selling Tambola tickets, managing the crowd and laughing and working as one big team. Such a beautiful picture of unity, right? And there I was, sitting comfortably with my camera on, recording everything, not helping at all. In fact, I was making everyone compliment me. Everyone.
Now
For doing absolutely nothing. But of course, I mean, that's the kind of comfort Southfield gives you.
बहनों क्या मैं तुम लोगों के दिल को स्टेपल कर दूं? कैमरामैन नंदिका के साथ कसं लागेल सर? नाच टाको. Roshni, open your eyes. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is where we come from and that's my college. The rest of the infrastructure is here, this side. And ये बहुत ही famous spot है. इस stone के आगे हम सब खड़े होकर pictures लिया करते थे. Because every picture comes beautiful here. Also this works like a background for pictures we take. My class. और यहाँ से हम बहुत बार पकड़े जा चुके हैं क्योंकि हम सीधा यहाँ बैठते थे बंक करके.
This is the backyard. It was like our little secret escape. We would escape to this place when the lectures got a little boring, and we would bunk our classes just to share a plate of steaming momo and click pictures, and it still smells of nostalgia. It was like a little world of freedom.
Hi girls, you are looking beautiful.
Thank you.
That is the beautiful view of the Darjeeling Hills, as you all can see.
It's time for the disco.
जी अब लाभ लेता हूँ ना. इधर इधर चिरो 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 चिरो. के हो तिम्रो नाम? औ हात देऊ त. गिभ मी योर ह्यान्ड. ओ सर सर कि म्याम हो तिमी? म्याम रहेछ. म्याम म्याम. कालु कालु ब्लाउनी. हात देऊ. सेट. लागेको छैन. लाग्दैछ. सर I'm going back to Bangalore. What do you have to say?
All the best for your future.
I am Binoy sir's adopted child. And we are leaving now. Winter May, it used to get really cold and it used to snow, so we would just sit here. My classmates and I, we would sit here and just chit chat and have fun and click pictures, of course. That's very important for girls. And that was my college. And we've come to the end of the vlog. I hope you all loved it. And it was great meeting my teachers and seeing the college do so well, and how the infrastructure has significantly improved than what it used to be before. So happy for them. And a bit emotional, but I'll be back soon.
To my classmates, life took us in different directions. Some of us are settled, some still chasing our dreams, some just finding ourselves. But for those few beautiful years that we shared together, the same classrooms, the same laughter, the same memories, all of that will always stay with me.
Second last day फेस्ट कॉलेज लाइफ का ये हमारा आखिरी फेस्ट होगा, इसीलिए हम लोग इसे यादगार बनाने के लिए जब सारे के सारे लोग और फेक फ्रेंड्स चले गए, हम सिर्फ 2 यहाँ पे बचे हैं मेमोरीज बनाने के लिए.
To my fur babies, you made every college day lighter, happier and full of love without saying a single word. Love you all. My Pangru, Brownie, Whitey, Blackie, everyone. I miss you. To my professors, thank you for your patience, your guidance, and for believing in us even before we believed in ourselves. To the beautiful backstage chaos, the last minute script changes, the tangled mic wires, the participants not coming on time, technical failures, the nervous laughs before getting the spotlight hit. As a host, as a performer, that chaos was my calm. That stage was not just a platform, it was my home. To the stage, my sanctuary, my spotlight, my second home. Every time I stood upon you, I found another piece of myself. You have seen my fears, my laughter, my mistakes, my failure, my growth, and you have held every dream I dared to speak out loud. You are not just wooden curtains, you are where my soul learned to breathe. Thank you.